It doesn't matter how damaged and battered and broken it is, leave the worries to us here at Hi5 Jamaica Services. We have the power to restore that which was broken. See us first for all computer repairs, including back cover repairs, hinge repairs, screen repairs, keyboard replacements, and all repairs you can think of. If it is your Dell, your HP, your Asus, your Apple, your Lenovo, we can help. See us first at www.hi5jamaica.com or 1-876-367-1220. We are absolutely your number one choice.